Hello guys, I am Vihanga Nimsara. Today I am going to show you about my portfolio that I developed for my second semester final project. So this is my user interface of the portfolio. You can see like this. I wanted to make this as unique unique theme. So I choose a theme that look very simple and it match similar for the theme like hackers. So I generated some images through AI like this and created some simple UI with um, I feel like uh, I'm a hacker. So this is my user interface of the website. You can see some sections about me like this and my skills. So another screen contact and the projects I have done uh, for this. Um, so let's go to the code explain how. So you can see this is my folder structure and this is shows my assets and this is inside of this have some CSS. Let's see about my index.html. This is the main entry point of this website. So first of all, there are some metadatas that's help to search engine optimization, that's mean SEO. Uh, and I have linked some my CSS files, and I have used some font awesome libraries and some fonts and normalized CSS. So this entire website is made with plain HTML and normal CSS. I haven't used any CSS framework for this, and some places I have used some JavaScript things, and but this is not my this is not fully function. But I have done some JavaScript also, and this is how my website code looks like, and all the websites are responsive. You can see my media queries. This is this media query have all website pages. So this website is fully responsive website.